Start here. A to the power of 9. Next is cube root of 6th root of. That means to the power of 1 by 6. 9 into 1 by 6. A to the power of 9 into 1 by 6. Again cube root of into 1 by 3. Into 1 by 3. Again square root of square of to the power of 4. To the power of 4 to the power of 4. Into 4. This term. Here. Next term. Start a to the power of 9. Into cube root of into 1 by 3. 6th root of into 1 by 6. Whole to the power of 4 into 4. So these are all. This is the index of A is this one. Here. So A to the power of into A to the power of into multiplication. So A to the power of m into A to the power of m. A to the power of m plus n. Here, see, 3 times, 2 times, this becomes a square. 3 times, 2 times, and again becomes a square. A to the power of 4. M plus n, 2 plus 2. Answer, that's all. Completed. Next question, 24. Given 2 to the power of x is equal to 8 to the power of y plus 1. One equation. And the another equation is 9 to the power of y is equal to 3 to the power of x minus 9. This is another equation. Two equations in x and y. The value of x plus y is, question is, find the value of x plus y. Of course, after finding out x and y, you can find out x plus y. See, always try to compare the bases. Here 8 can be expressed as 2. Here 9 can be expressed as 3 square. So, likewise you can compare indices. That is the way of solution in this way, Surds indices. First equation, first relation. 2 to the power of x is equal to they are separate. From this obtain one relation between x and y. 2 to the power of x is equal to a to the power of m whole to the power of m, a to the power of mn. 2 to the power of 3 into y plus 1. So x is equal to compare indices 3y plus 3. X minus 3y is equal to 3. One equation. Next, second relation. 9 to the power of y is equal to 9 to the power of y, 9 is 3 square. 3 square whole to the power of y is equal to 2 to the power of x minus 9. 2 to the power of 2y, 2 to the power of m1, 2 to the power of x minus 9. Compare indices. 2y is equal to x minus 9. 2y minus x is equal to minus 9. Second relation, second equation. Now these two adding plus x minus x goes. X minus 3y is equal to 3. Two y minus x is equal to minus 9. Adding minus y is equal to minus 6. Y is equal to 6. Substitute any one of these two. X minus 3 into 6, 3y is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 plus 18 plus 18 other side. That is 21. X is 21 and y is 6. He is asking x plus y. That is 21 plus 6. 27 answer. Next question. 33. Let R be the result of doubling both the base and the exponent of a to the power of b. Base and exponent of the exponent of a to the power of b. B not equal to 0. If R equals the product of a to the power of b and x to the power of b, then x equals. The data can be written here as a to the power of b. We saying a to the power of b is there. B not equal to 0. And of course, b not equal to 0, we not use anyway. Doubling both the base and exponent. Base doubling means 2a. Exponent doubling means 2b. A to the power of 2b. R be the result. This is the result of. Result is given as R. And another relation is also given. If R equals the product of R is also the product of a to the power of b and x to the power of b. These are the two relations given. From this, x equals, so what is the value of x? In terms of course, a and b. First relation is R is 3 whole to the power of, what is 3 whole to the power of 2b, 2 to the power of 2b into a to the power of 2b. What is the advantage? Here 2 to the power of 2 whole to the power of b. You need not write, of course, directly you can write 4 here. But for understanding purpose, this can be imagined as 2 square whole to the power b. That will be 2 to the power of 2b. Here also, this can be imagined as a to the power of b whole square, b into 2, a to the power of m1, b into 2b, b2, or 2b. We don't write generally b2, only 2b we write. So this is 4 to the power of now 2b. Mn into a to the power of b. See what happens. I keep it as it is. A to the power of b whole square. Because a to the power of b is there here for the second relation. So it will be useful to keep a to the power of b as it is. Then this is one relation from first relation. From second relation, from this one, R is a to the power of b into x to the power of b. So equate this 4 to the power of 2b into a to the power of b whole square, equate it to a to the power of b into x to the power of b. So finally we want x. So let us x to the power of b on the left side. What happens? The whole thing on the right side. 4 to the power of b only, not 2b. 4 to the power of b only. 4 to the power of b. 4 to the power of b into a to the power of b whole square by is a to the power of b the denominator, a to the power of b. So this is 4 to the power of b, a to the power of b whole square, a to the power of b. So a to the power of whole square means a to the power of b whole square means a to the power of b to a to the power of b. One a to the power of b goes. So one a to the power of b remains. Left side x to the power of b. We are finding out x to the power of b. Of course, finally we have to find out x. So base now see they are getting equal indices. A to the power of m into a to the power of n will be a to the power of m plus n. No. A to the power of b, a to the power of m, and b to the power of m. A b whole to the power of m. So 4a whole to the power of b. Now compare basis indices are equal, so basis should be equal. X should be equal to 4a. We want x. That is the answer 4a. Next question is 43. Number of prime factors in 216 whole to the power of 3 by 5. In the future sequence, we have seen into 2500 whole to the power of prime factors ఎలా కావాల్సి అలా మార్చి ప్రశ్నలు వేస్తున్నారు into 300 to the power of 1 by 5. In number of prime factors in this is and choices here. ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ గా స్విచ్ చేయడమే, కాకపోతే ఇక్కడ సార్స్ మోడల్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మామూలుగా అయితే ఏం చేస్తాం, 216 ఉందనుకో, వాట్ ఈస్ 216? ఇట్ ఈస్ 6 into 6 into 6, 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, 2, 2 and 3 cube. How many prime factors? 2 is 3 and 3 is 3. Total 6 prime factors. Here also we have to split like that, but splitting is somewhat difficult here, Surds and Indices. So some simplification is necessary. Then only we can see how many factors are there. This actually is, you can separately do each term, simplification of each term. Now, of course, examination we have to save time, but here 216 for practice purpose, 4 to the power of 3 by 5. That will be, here I have written here 3 cube into 2 cube, 216. So 2 cube into 3 cube, 4 to the power of 3 by 5. 216 is 6 into 6, 6 into 6 into 6, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. So you can split, apply this for both. 2 to the power of 3 into 3 by 5 into 3 to the power of 3 into bracket necessary for the reducing the steps. Directly you can apply 3 into 3 to 3 by 5. Nine by 5 into 3 to the power of 2500. 2500 to the power of 2 by 5. 2500 is 25 into 100. 5 into 5, 25. 100. 10 into 10. 2 into 5 into 2 into 5. So 2 square into 10 to the power of 4, 5 to the power of 4, whole to the power of 2 by 5. So apply for both. 2 square, 2 to the power of 2, 2 into 2 by 5 into 5 to the power of 4 into 2 by 5, 2 to the power of 4 by 5 into 5 to the power of 8 by 5. Similarly, 300 to the power of 1 by 5. Simplify it also. 300 is 3 into 100, 3 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 5. So 3 to the power of 3 into 2 square into 5 square, whole to the power of 1 by 5. Then apply 1 by 5. 3 to the power of 1 by 5 into 2 to the power of 2 into 1 by 5 into 5 to the power of 2 into 1 by 5. 3 to the power of 1 by 5, 2 to the power of 2 by 5, 5 to the power of 2 by 5. Combine all these as a product. First one is given expression. First one we have obtained a u to the power of 9 by 5 into 2 to the power of 9 by 5 into second one is here. By 5 into 5 to the power of 8 by 5 into last one here 2 to the power of 1 by 5 into 2 to the power of 2 by 5 into 5 to the power of so twos, all twos having base 2 to the power of 9 by 5 plus 4 by 5 plus into 3 base into 5 base 5 to the power of 8 by 5 plus 8 to the power of m plus n formula 5 to the power of 2 by 5. Can be written that way. Yeah. So LCM denominator 5 9 plus for 13 13 plus 2 15 15 by 3 15 by 5 3 2 to the power of 3 denominator is 5 9 plus 1 10 by 2 10 by 5 2 2 to 3 to the power of 2 denominator is 5 numerator is 8 plus 2 10 10 by 5 2 5 to the power of 2. So this is reduced to 2 cube into b square into 5 square. How many prime factors? These three. That is here. 3 factors. Here 2 factors. 2 prime factors. Here 2 prime factors. Total prime factors comes p plus 2 plus 2. 7 is the answer. 7 prime factors are there in the given expression. 2 is 3, 3 is 2, 5 is 2. That is equivalent to the given expression. Of course, it is given as the surds. What is 9? What 9? If n is equal to write directly solution. N is equal to root of root 5 plus 2 plus root of root 5 minus 2 by root of root 5 plus 1 minus root of 3 minus 2 root 2, 2 root 2. Then the value of n is. So that means find out this whole value of the whole expression. For simplification purpose, let us take it separately because this has got numerator and denominator. Afterwards, we can join this. So this can be taken as some x. Say like this. X is taken as this one, root of root 5 minus 2 by root of root 5 plus 1. We are finding out this one. So to find out this one, let us take x square first, squaring numerator denominator. Then only it gets simplified. X square. Let us take x square. Of course, finally we have to find out x. To substitute here. So let us take x square, squaring both sides. What happens? Answers are 2 root 2 minus 1, choice B 3, C 1 being 2. So simplification necessary finally. Squaring both sides. Squaring numerator, squaring denominator. Root of 2 plus root of root 5 minus 2 whole square by root of root 5 plus 1 whole square. That will be x square. So a plus b whole square formula. A square. Square root of and square goes. Root 5 plus 2 remains. B square. Again root 5 minus 2 remains. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab 2 into minus 2 into a. A into b, square root is common. So root 5 plus 2 into root of this, root of this, root of this, root of b. Denominator. Square and square root goes. Root of 5 plus 1. See, simplification is here. A plus b, a minus b model. A square minus b square. A square is 5. B square is 4. Here also addition required. Plus 2 minus 2 goes. 2 root 5, root 5, 2 root 5. Minus 2 into root of 5 plus 2 square is 4. No. A square by B square, keep it as it is. Root 5 whole square minus 2 whole square. A square. What is the purpose? Of course, 5 minus 4. Anyhow, it will become 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. What left that thing is 1. 2 root 5 minus 2 into 1 becomes 1. That means 5. 2 square is 4. 4. A square makes square. The rest we can write, of course. So one more step in our written. Rotating 5 minus 4 is 1. So 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1 by root 5 plus 1. Divide 2 is common here. Root 5 a square plus b square plus 2a. This one plus only. 2 common. Root 5 plus 1 by root 5 plus 1 denominator. This goes. 2 remains. X square is 2. X is small x. X is root 2. So given expression is n is equal to first part is root 2 minus root of 3 minus 2 root 2. One more simplification. What is that? B can be written as 2 plus 1. 2 square 2 plus 1 and this one 2 is root 2 whole square, 1 is 1 whole square, 2 into root 2 into 1 will be here, we will term. So n is equal to root 2 minus square root of 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2, root 2 minus root 2 square plus 1 square minus 2 into root 2 into 1. This becomes root 2 minus root 2 plus not plus minus 1 whole square. A square plus b square minus 12. Root 2 minus 1 whole square. root 2. Of course, here bracket. So root 2 minus root 2 plus 1 goes. Value of given expression is 1. Find the value of n. What is the question? I think it's time over. So let us stop here. Balance will be completed in a day. They are month of days. This chapter will be completed. So write down and leave. Any questions? Answer అయ్యారు జాయిన్ అవ్వలేదా?
Thank you, sir.
Hello? Okay. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Note down and leave. Tomorrow morning, 11 a.m.
Okay, sir.